Are you still confused why you're having bad FPS and high input delay even though you're on a high-end system? This is Stix free tweaking utility, a simple yet great tool that will optimize your PC for better performance within minutes. Today, I'll be telling you how to download it and use it. But wait, there's a completely different program that does just this but 10 times better. This is the Stix premium tweaking utility. Make sure to check it out at stixtweaks.com. Now let's get into the video. Head to Google or whatever browser you use and then search up stixtweaks.com. Head to free download and press download now. Once you've downloaded the program, make sure to right click and press run as administrator, and then you'll be greeted with this UI. Feel that this program may be malicious or anything, it's completely open source, so you can check out our GitHub and review all the source code right here. If you trust me, then just keep following along. So the first thing we'll be doing is creating a backup. So head to the setup page. We're first going to check the switch for creating a system backup and give this like 20 seconds, and now it should be created. If you want to double check, head over to the backups page, and as you'll see, the Stix free tweaking utility, and it's created just now. So head back to setup and install your Visual C++ redistributables. These are different runtimes that most programs nowadays require to be installed for them to run. So since I have them already installed, it's going to show this, but just click install for you. And then once you're done, you can close this out. Now onto the good part, the actual tweaks. Head over to the advanced page and check basic Windows settings, optimize Windows kernel, optimize memory settings, enable HAGs, TSC plus TSC without desync, optimize storage disks, adjust power settings. It should import the Stix free power plan. Once that's here, just select that one and then you'll be good. Now, if you have an NVIDIA GPU, check this. But if you have an AMD Radeon GPU, you can check this one. If you don't know, you can head back to the main page and it will say right here. So now that you know, head back, check the tweak corresponding to the GPU you have, and then finally, adjust QoL settings. Next, we're going to be deboarding our system. This will disable useless services, tasks, background apps, and different things that start up right when you turn on your system, reducing the amount of context switching on your CPU. So disable startup apps. Once this pops up, simply click on log on at the top, and right here, uncheck anything that you don't need starting on startup. Now, make sure to leave CMD checked so that starts when you turn on your computer. Anything else you don't need, you can simply uncheck. Now, head to schedule tasks. Uncheck everything here. You don't need anything checked. Head to services, and you can uncheck or disable any services that you don't need, like any Edge updates, Brave, Google Chrome, and all of them, for example. Now, head over to the drivers. Simply, if you see any that are yellow like this, and you don't use them, you can just delete them and press OK. Now that we've done that, you can close this out, and now disable Hyper-V, disable Bluetooth if you don't use it, uninstall useless apps, disable useless features. If you don't use Microsoft Store, you can disable this safely, disable telemetry, you can disable this, and then run file corrupt checker. Now that it's started, this will scan your system for any corrupt files and automatically fix them. So just let this complete, and here I'm just going to save you time. So now that it's completed, you can head over to the networking page. Prioritize network packets. This is QoS, but currently it's only for Fortnite. If you want me to include any other game, make sure to leave a comment down below of the game name. Now, disable network power gating, adjust Ethernet settings. Only do this if you have Ethernet and you don't use Wi-Fi. Disable NetBIOS over TCP/IP, and disable LLM host lookup. Once you have done all of them, you can close this application, right click on your start menu, shut down or sign out, and then restart your computer. If you found out that you had an increase in your gaming performance, make sure to leave a comment down below. And if you have any requests that you would like me to add, make sure to comment them down below as well. I want to thank everyone for watching and have an amazing day. Peace.